Hey guys, welcome to 8 Rounds. I am Vijay Thakkar, your master fitness coach, and I am here to give you a complete lifestyle management fitness program built specifically for you by me. Folks, 48 Fitness RHR, or 8 Rounds as we call it, has immensely benefited thousands of people, including some of your favorite TV and film celebrities as well. Today, we are going to focus on a pertinent issue related to aging, that is your bone health as well as strength building. Do you know what is common between an astronaut who space travels, adults who do not work out, and kids who consume a lot of soft drinks? Well, all of them have weak and brittle bones. This condition of weak skeletal structure is known as osteoporosis. Osteo refers to the bones and porosis refers to the hole in them. This condition, my friends, unfortunately is due to the core mineral calcium that is responsible for holding your body upright against the gravity and fight back against any kind of bone injury. Having said that, it is extremely important and vital for us to understand the same. Osteoporosis invariably forces the patient into leading a very painful life where he or she is dependent on an external support all the time. Guys, even in extreme condition, there are certain times that even to go to the washroom, they will be dependent on their family members or friends, which actually is quite embarrassing because it gives up the privacy in a very intimate moment with himself. Interestingly, as per NASA, bone loss is a very well known and a very common problem for astronauts to overcome during their time in space, where their bones and muscles are not exposed to the gravitational forces and muscle contraction. Friends, the human body that is designed for survival finds these metabolically active and superior tissues needless because there is no contraction happening without gravity and a serious threat to its goal of survival with minimum calories expenditure. As a consequence, the body adapts to this no gravity environment by eroding bones and muscle tissues at an exponential rate in order to achieve its caloric efficiency and frugality. Okay, so here's what happens. A well-built 20-something-year-old astronaut will come back with health and fitness of a 50-year-old person in just a span of 3 years time spent in space travel being sedentary. Scary, isn't it? This is exactly what happens to your body when you lead a sedentary life and make poor food choices. However, there are ways in which you can stop yourself from experiencing the same. What you can do is to make better decisions with regards to what you consume throughout the day. Friends, consuming milk, cheese and other dairy products must be included in your meals on a regular basis. Consuming calcium and vitamin D rich food and daily exposure to sunlight along with 8 rounds workout will help you prevent osteoporosis. Guys, with proper exercise and nutrition, one can actually prevent the weakening of the bones and be healthy even at an old age. However, it only makes sense if you start now. Catch my astronaut workout that focuses on weak bone reversal and building strong bone structure exclusively with 8 rounds workout show only on Disney+ Hotstar today.